Hello everyone and welcome to Stacey-Leigh's Avon Dream Team. Hope you are well today. Today I am going to be doing a eye makeup tutorial. So I decided to start doing makeup tutorials for this channel because I've been complimented on my makeup so many times, and I've done tutorials before as well for a friend and they really liked it too. So I thought it'd be helpful to do something here. So today I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette, which is Playbook Extreme. The colours in this are amazing, and you get 20 eyeshadow shades in limitless looks. It has built-in primers as well, built-in primers, and the colours are just amazing. It also comes with a big mirror, which is very handy for you, and you get 4 makeup looks for your eyes on how to do them, include the numbers and everything to show you. So, and these are how it looks. Today I'm going to be going silver. I'm going to be doing white for my base. Then I'm going to be doing this silver for the middle here. Then I'm going to do this grey for the edges and this black for the inner crease. So I'll try and do this so you can see it easily enough. Should be easy enough for you to follow too. Just get the plastic to fold over. So I'm using my Real Techniques brushes because I had these ones before I joined Avon. This one is a deluxe crease brush, which I'm going to be using for all over my eyes. So going with the white. This is to be going over all over my eyelid. You can take your base colour as well up to your brow bone, because then it adds extra blending space, so it's not going to be harsh with any dark colours like the black. You don't get a harsh line between your eyelid and your top then. So that's your base coat done. Then I'm going to swap brushes. I'm going to go in with my normal little eyeshadow brush, which is this one. The name is rubbed out on the brush, so I don't know the actual name for it, but I'm pretty sure it's just a normal eyeshadow brush size. So I'm going in with my silver now, and that's just going to be for the centre. I do 2 coats, so for the first coats that I do, don't worry about any harsh lines that you've got between the colours not blending, because they will be blended in the end. So do it again for this eye. Just go for the centre. I absolutely love my Avon products. I'm not saying that just because I'm a sales leader either. I actually really do love the products. Especially these eyeshadow palettes. They're just really amazing. The colours are so soft and feels more a little bit creamy when you put it on because it's so soft. Now I'm going to swap to my little accent brush, which is just a flat brush, which is perfect for doing the edges or any details. So first I'm just going to pat it in to this patch here. And then I'm just going to start making a line of how I want it to go. So I'm trying to do it in line of my bottom eye line. and then match that up to go here. So it's sort of an eyeshadow wing. If it doesn't go perfectly, you don't need to worry because you can just easily remove that little bit. It's fine. Just like that, because I did it a little bit too high for the corner. So then just go a little bit over again. Then I'm going to go to my left eye and do the same. So tap it into place on the edge. Then get my line made. So follow from underneath. Then join that across. Then I'm going to dust the brush off. I'm going to go in with black, which is number 1 out there. It's really pretty, it's black and it's glittery. So then I'm going to close the eye and put it there. And then because that's in the socket, you can just do this. Because your socket gives you that guide then of your arch for the inner crease. And just do it again. So then you've got your guideline. So then you can close your eye again and just tap. Don't know if you can see it on the video or not, but as I'm doing this and I can see it in the mirror, it's the bit black and the silver is really glittering. I can see it sparkling. So now I'm going to do the same for the other eye. Again, don't worry about the harsh lines that I've got in a minute. Just going to place it there and go round. And again, place it down and go round. And top place. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back in with my deluxe brush, the big one, and I'm going to blend it all together. Because this is layer 1. And again, do circle motions. So then that's all blended together. Then I'm going to go back in and do each colour again. But this time it's going to be all done with the accent brush. So I'm going to go in with the grey for the outside. Just tap it into place. Then the black, and tap that into place. Then I'm going to go with silver, and then tap that one too. And with the silver, I'm going to go slightly over the edge of the other two colours. So that's blended the lines together as well. Then I'm going to go for white for the inner corner. And then bring it down under here too. If you want extra wow factor as well, you can do all the colours that I've just done underneath as well. So for the black, for the grey, I mean, you can do the grey underneath the corner here to follow the top. Then you can do the silver for the middle bit, and then you can do your white further along as well. So I'm not doing that today. So that's my eyeshadow done. Next is my Power Stay Glimmer Stick eyeliner in graphite, intense graphite. So it's a nice grey colour. To do the eyeliner the best way, you can do little lines going along instead of just trying to do one long line. Makes it so much easier. This is thin line is all you need really. It's up to you on how thick you want to do your eyeliner, or if you're able to do your cat liners or not. And I'm just going to go underneath, but I'm not going to go 100% underneath. It's going to go about 3/4. And take it to about here, because then it just opens the inner corner a lot more. And do it again. Again about 3/4. That's eyeliner done. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using my eyelash curlers. So instead of your eyelashes being like either down or just out, they'll actually go further, they'll curl upwards to look more awake. Doing this, you want to be careful not to catch your eyelid, because that really does hurt. Just open and close it about 3 times, just to make it go further up. And again, don't catch your eyelid. And squeeze 3 times, just making sure your eyelashes are in there. So then that's that stage done. Then you move into your mascara. This is my Power Stay mascara, which is absolutely amazing and it's waterproof. So you don't want to pump your mascara by going moving the brush in and out. Just give it a twist to get more product onto it. For this brush, it's curved over the top and more straighter at the bottom. So if your top lashes, you want to use the curve. For bottom lashes, you can use the bottom. You want to go from the tip, the root to the tip. You can go over it as many times as you want to depend on how thick you want to look. Don't worry if you get any underneath your eye, because you can just wipe that off. You also, when doing your eye makeup, you always do your eyes before your foundation, because if you get eyeshadow drop down here, you can just easily wipe it away. Whereas if you do your foundation first, it's then on your foundation and it's ruined your foundation. Now I'm going to go for the underneath. And that's my eye makeup done. I hope this video helped you, and if you liked this video then please like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.